Hello, it's Trevor. So we're streaming a little bit on the current resolution. Hold on. Uh-oh. I need to change the video resolution. Uh-oh. Give me 1 second. Let me... I don't know what's going on. It says I need to change the video resolution. Current resolution is 1920, which is not supported. 1080. So it's a little bit taller than what it needs to be. I need to change the freaking canvas. Awesome. This is really, really cool. So glad I got this fixed before I decided to go live. Alright, I'm trying to figure it out. Output, streaming. This is what I need. Rescale. Oh, I might need to stop streaming. Hold on. Okay, no idea. That's better. It says excellent. All right. Says excellent. So, I guess we'll deal with that. Well, there's nobody on. So at least I didn't embarrass myself too bad. Basically, today we are doing mystery challenges. We're just going to stick to the apprentice level to start with in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. And without further ado, let's just get going. Mystery Labs. So I'm going to do apprentice, any category. Let's get going. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Okay, I'm going to stop because I want to open this in a new tab. That way, you know, I can just switch back. Okay, we won't reveal an objective until we know what the vulnerability is. We'll try to find the vulnerability. If we can't find it in like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, then we will try to reveal. So the first thing I want to do is I want to see what we can do here. So let's go to my account and try to log in. We do have an email or a login. We can change our email. So let's blah@blah.com. Update. That worked. Let's go home and view details. Nothing interesting there. Go to my account and then let's log out. And let's start looking through Burp to see what we see, hear what we hear, and feel what we feel. All right, so we got a session cookie, X-frame options, same origin, set cookie as secure, HTTP only. Don't see anything interesting here. Submit. Nope. Mystery reveal, that's fine. Images, okay, let's keep going. Let's go to the bottom. Nothing there. All right. This home, this one's a little bigger. Why is this one bigger? Huh. It changed. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Because remember when I clicked it and then I stopped it? This must have been what I was going to do, but we ended up doing this one. So we better check this one also. Secure HTTP only. Don't see anything there. Submit solution. Got the my account. Let's go to the bottom. Nothing there. All right. We're going to scroll up to my account. We got a 302 to log in. And then nothing interesting there. Mystery challenge, yeah. My account. We got a post with a CSRF to log in. There's the post. And we got a 302 with a new session. Go to my account. What I'm looking for is anything that stands out. Change email with a CSRF. So I didn't see anything. Nothing that stood out. At least not so far. We sent the post change email. And we got my account. We got a product ID 1. Let's check this. Check headers. Make sure I didn't miss anything there. No. This is cool. My ID, my account. Yeah. I really like it that right off the bat we get something that I don't know what it is. Log out. All right. What do we do now? Let's go proxy. Let's go target. Which one is it? It's OAE. So I'm going to delete this one. so it's not there. Let's do some extensions. Let's do request smuggler. Okay. And let's do some extensions. Param miner. We'll guess params. We'll guess everything. That looks like it's working. So this is param miner request. That's definitely a param miner. Oh, is it? Yeah, it is. There are some. Oh, this looks like a. Could be a request smuggling one. Okay. I wasn't able to find anything. That's really annoying. View details. Let's look through it again. My account. Home. Return to list. My account. Wiener Peter. So what could it be? Let's do this. Let's go P. I want to open Xmind. And I want to open up test stages. Test stages? Sure. What the heck? Come on. Move. SQL injection. I don't think so. Oh, wait. Secret input header. Origin header. Is this one of those? Not allowed. Is this one of those ones where we got to reach admin? Yeah. Sweet. All right. Add that to the list of things to check. So let's try to do that. I'm going to go to proxy. Take this one. Send a repeater. And I'm going to do like X forwarded 4. So this will tell it what user I am. Let's try. I don't think this will work, but we'll try it. Unauthorized. It has to be okay. We can do X forwarded host. Unauthorized. Origin. No, not origin, but host. What if we did. Let's look at what we have. Not in this one. Let's file open. This is going to be. Let's visit file. What is this? Header? Is it host header? I think so. So let's see what we got here. Let's make this big. Let's close this. Parsing errors. We can do this stuff. Overrides. And ambiguous. So I think host header is out because we already tried that. Or at least something did. One of the extensions, 127 dots. That one. Forbidden. That's interesting. Oh. We gotta undo this. Now let's undo this. Well, let's send it like this. And then undo this. Okay. No go on duplicate hosts. Line wrapping. Let's do that. Isn't it absolute? We can try this one. absolute. So that would be HTTP 127.0.0.1/admin 401. We can do local host. And there's a other host header. Or host. We can do colon and @. Let's try both of those. So a colon. Oh no, this is no, not host header, right? I don't think that's right. Because we want, which one do we want? Let me visit file upload, no, sockets, OAuth, authentication, access control. That's what we want, right? Because if we do access control, yeah. If we just tried to do it, checking JS for an admin link. Use a non-standard header to rewrite URL. Modify parameter or cookie. This always teaches me. Let's go back to this. So exported host. But problem is we want the client, right? We want them to think the client is from 127.0.0.0 or whatever. You know what I'm saying. So we'll try like file and open, not directory traversal. This is access control. What in the heck would it be? I want documents. No. I want home, courses, Web Security Academy. All right, access control, command injection, cores, CSRF, directory DOM, file upload, host header. Don't think that's it. Information disclosure. Information disclosure. Maybe. What would it be? Authentication bypass? Something like that? Let's open this with like Kate. See what we got. Shop X custom IP. Ooh, I don't think that's it because we'd have to know that is there. So not that one. And error messages, no. Version control, debug, no. So not this one. For sure. Details, server-side template injection, request forgery, SQL injection, request OAuth, maps, logic flaws. I don't think so. State machine, citrus. Flawed enforcement of business rules. individually. No. No. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm getting a little frustrated. So I'm gonna go like this. Grep. Let's grep for like -R/admin. I don't think that's gonna get us close. Let's do it without. How do you grep without ignore a directory? Grep help. I don't want to do data extended. I want to ignore the .bimb. How to handle directory. I'm doing recursive. Exclude. Skip files. Skip directories. Exclude dir. That's what I want. Alright. I'm going to do grep cd grep -r. I'm going to do exclude dir. And I'm going to exclude .bin. Is that? It's a glob. And I'm going to look for /admin. Okay. Venv is not in here. It's a terrible way to do this. Shop.logmin. Nah. Information disclosure and version control. I don't think we have that. Authentication bypass. Maybe. Let's look at that one. So I'm going to cat information disclosure authentication bypass information disclosure. This one, yeah, that's the custom header one. It's not that. It's not XXE, not SSRF, not insecure deserialization, not SQL injection. Some maybe host header, but I don't think via connection state. Routing based. Host header. Host header authentication bypass. Maybe. That one looks promising. So I'm going to cat host header. Host header. What do we do here? Oh, we don't have a lab. Yeah, so it's definitely not the host ones. No host header. Access. Something like this is what I think it is. So, unpredictable URL? I don't think so. Method-based access. Multi-step process. Let's come back to access control. Let me rule out everything else. Authentication. Let's see. OAuth. No. Cores. No. Request smuggling. No. Logic fault is the only other thing I'm worried about. Inconsistent security controls. Let's vim or cat logic flaws / inconsistent security controls. What does this one do? Email address. Do we have an exploits? No. We don't have an exploit server, so this one's out. Inconsistent? No. Authentication? The encryption aura? Nope. Nope. Okay. So think it's access control, right? User role controlled by request unprotected. There's that one. So cat access control unprotected. Functionality. What does this one do? Admin URL administrator -panel. And administrator -panel. No. So it's not this one. And that was admin functionality. Refer. Do I think it's that one? Refer. I don't think so. Cat access control refer. Refer. Admin rules. Let's see if admin rules. No. Well, dang it. Refer. User role. URL based access. Maybe this one. X original URL. Ooh. Let's check that one out. Cat access control URL. Yep. Shop / admin with the X original URL. I don't think so. This is like a 127. Let's grep for that. What? Where's the grep? Oh, I did it on the other terminal. Grep like 127.0.0.1. I mean, that one keeps popping up, but you would think secret input header origin, sorry. Origin. And the issue with these so do we have anything where we set the origin? This is annoying. Web cache poisoning. This is going to be so lame if I can't figure this out. Local host. Front end controls. We know it is a, we know the object is to reach the admin page, or at least that's got to be it. So let's play around with, let's go back to just X forwarded host. That means another host sent it along. X host forwarded server. Wait, what am I doing? So if I send this, we get unauthorized admin interface only available to local. Oh, we got a hidden HTTP2. That can't be it. Right? Is it? This is the... Can't be request smuggling. HTTP2, we got a 200. HTTP1, we got a 200. Dual path submitted. What the heck is this? So get the root with 2 paths. It worked. See, we have 2 paths. And we got the second one. So this time it should give a 200. It does. I don't think it's HTTP 2. I think it is something here where we just have to define like the origin 127.0.0.1. Unauthorized local users. So we could do like local host. No. We tried it here, right? 127.0.0.1. And local host. What's that burp domain for local host? Man, I hate it when I realize how bad my notes are. Like, I'm fine until I realize, oh crap, I really suck at taking notes. The host. We don't want that because this is just overriding the output. Exported host. I don't think any of these are right. Plus, param miner would find it. So, if we did open, visit file, and we did clickjackings, x6e, SSRF, request smuggling, and the directory traversal. I want to say, did we look at this one? Numbers. Nah. So, dang it. I'm gonna have to look. I'm gonna totally fail on the first one. Authentication, right? That's not it. Because it's not, I mean, it's a bypass. Flawed remember cookie, multi-factor, username enumeration, brute force. Yeah, definitely not this one. So we can close that. Where's all the... Okay. Let's do this. Before we look, let's use all the resources at our disposal. We want origin local host, Portswigger. Cores, we want no. I want the the learning path, but not for CSRF, DOM base, cores, XZ, request smuggling, command injections, SSTI, insecure, directory traversal. I want like this one. I don't think that one. Maybe business logic. What was the way? Dang it. All right, I'm looking. I'm gonna give up like a total wuss because I cannot remember how to do this one. I hate doing it, but I gotta delete the... Yeah, we know that. information disclosure. We looked at that one. This is the X custom whatever one header that we looked at a bunch of times. But so how do we reveal that? That's the problem, is solve lab, obtain the header name, and then use it to bypass, to obtain the header name. Let's go back. Host header, no. It's not host header, right? It was the original this. Something like this. Let's see how we did it in the script. And I had that up when I searched for, I want to say this one. It was a header value. That one. So cat information authentication. How do we know that? I don't understand how we know this. Header. There's got to be somewhere that leaks it. Authentication, but is in practice without knowledge of a custom header used by the front end. By the front end. To solve the lab, obtain the header name by the front end. What? When they say front end, they mean like the proxy or whatever, right? Not like JS, CSS, that type of thing. How would we reveal that? I don't know. I don't know how we'd reveal it. Get admin. Yep. Trace. Damn it. Trace. X custom IP authorization. That's rough. I mean, that was a rough one to get on the first go. Because that... maybe I'm just not checking it for it as much as they expect me to. Alright, well, let's solve this. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to repeater. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to go back, put this, delete this, change this, 127.0.0.1, send it, 200 OK. And looks like to delete, we just got to get this one. Send it. There, we solved it. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. That was... I gotta add that somewhere. Right? Trace. That's gonna catch me. So where am I gonna put that? Access control. Yeah, let's do vertical, horizontal. Use a different HTTP method. Yeah, thanks. Try trace to see if a custom header is applied. All right, well... File. close window. Let's save this. Take the loss and move on. Let's do another. Okay. We got this one. This one we got. So, another shop. Let's go through kind of the same steps. I'm going to do everything I can. Click on every button. Return to list. Go to my account. Try to log in. So we don't have credentials. All right. Let's go to, whoops. My bad. Wrong. There we go. Let's go to here, proxy HTTP history, and start here. It's the most recent. Oh, look at this. A lab header. And because it's formatted, because the host headers labs are the only one that have this extra cookie, I can tell you right now, it's a host header injection vulnerability. Which sucks that I kind of already know that, but let's see. So in order for that to be true, what we would need is some kind of reflection of the host value in this, right? So let's look through here and see if we got anything interesting. Here's the products. I don't see anything good there. Scroll down to the bottom. I don't see anything. Let's look at the resources. So mystery shop. All of those are fine. That one's fine. Let's look at a product. Submit solution. It's definitely not that one. None of that is linked back. It's another home. Get my account, log in. Post login. It's gotta be a host header thing. Do you think this is another /admin one? Where we go like, gosh dang it. Okay, so in this one, we're gonna send a repeater. We've gotten 2 of these. We need to go to 127. We need to make it appear like we're coming from 127. So let's open up our notes file. Let's close window. Let's go xmind and open the host header one. Okay, we're going to start with ambiguous parsing or overrides. Let's start with ambiguous. Duplicate. So we want this one and host 127.0.0.1. Duplicate header names. Okay, so we know it's not duplicate. 5. Line wrapping. I don't think it's that one. use an absolute. Let's try this one. So this is the vulnerable website and then the bad stuff. So we want git host this, copy p. I don't think this is it either. It's not striking me as the right thing yet, because we want unauthorized parsing errors. We want something like this, the overrides. I'm sorry. I don't know why I was jumping over there. X-forwarded host. Let's try that. We're going to go back to here. We're going to delete this. And we're going to do X-forwarded host 127.0.0.1 401 X host send unauthorized X HTTP override forwarded. Come on. Forwarded 127.0.0. Unauthorized X forwarded server This has been rough. I'm doing a horrible job of this. I need to inject a host header. Let's do like at 127.0.0.1. No. Did we try colon? No. At vulnerable hack subdomain. Dang it. All right, I'm going to look at a solution twice in a row. I swear I'm better than this. All right, let's look through this again. We need something, and I'm pretty sure it's in host headers. So let's cd host headers. All right, cat basic. It's not this one, because this one we need to actually log in, and it's a blog. It's not that one. Cat host header, something like this. Shop session. This just has host localhost. Do I need to be freaking logged in? Is that the reason? Oh, but I can't. Right? We don't have a login. Okay, good. Whew. But proxy. We do have a session. Let's try this. Admin, and it was setting the host to localhost. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, we didn't have to look at the answer at least this time. So we want to paste this here, get that, go here, solve the lab. All right, I'm going to take a little break. I appreciate everybody tuning in. If you have any questions or comments or anything, definitely type them in. But I am going to take like 5 minutes to step away, and then we'll do a couple more when I get back. Sound good? All right, see you in a minute. right, let's get back to it. Let's do another. No rest for the wicked. And we're going to solve this one. It's going to be super easy. And I'm going to regret it because I want something medium. Even though these are all apprentice, they have kicked my butt so far. Okay. Blog this time. Let's go through. Let's see if we have an account first, I guess. Wiener Peter. We do, and we have an API key and an email. So let's blah@blah.com. We'll update our email. Boom. We'll view post and leave a comment. We'll do something like this just to check. Blah@blah.com. We won't put in a website, at least not yet. Okay. What's this? Blogs, user ID. So it's GUID, which is interesting. And that was Wiener. That was my account. I can't change. But look, the same GUID is here. So, does that mean that we can access another user's GUID? So if we go to home and we start looking through any of these other ones, like not Wiener, like any other user, let's go like this. One, like administrator, and copy link. Well, let's go actually here and open a new tab. What if we took this user ID, went to my account, and then changed it for this? Yes. It's got to be this. Incorrect. We're logged in as the admin. Oh, we were anyway. We can't submit. So we found the vulnerability, right? Blah. Maybe we need to update the admin. Ooh, look. That did not work this time. Why not? Oh, it's this user. Let's view post. Make sure. This user. We've got their freaking... Alright. What? We've got their API key for the admin. We've got the administrator's API key. And it's like it's saying that that's not it. Change email doesn't have any user identification, so it's got to use the session. All right, let's reveal objective because at least now we found the vulnerability. Obtain. Oh, for Carlos. Okay, so I'm going to go home. Oh, no. I want to leave this one here. I want to do this one to home and start looking for Carlos. One. We know one's not it. Let's go 2, Nope. There we go. Boom. Copy this one. Paste. Enter. Copy Carlos's API key and submit that. Yes. Woo. Our first W of the night. Feels good. Let's close multiple tabs. Close tabs to the right. Let's do the next one. Feeling good now. We're going to solve all of the next ones. We got an exploit server, a blog. Let's go through our same and a forgot password. We do have an account, and our email is set to the exploit server. Blah. So with these clues, I'm saying it's going to be in the forgot password. Let's go my account, click on forgot password. Let's check out this flow. Your username or email address. So let's go here. Forget. So this is not. Let's look through this. Exploit link. Submit solution. Boom, boom. Mystery reveal. That's not it. Forgot password is submitting. Let's look at 300. Let's go through our normal steps. We got a session token, secure HTTP only. None of this stuff is relevant. Okay, start looking here. All that looks fine. Fine. Boom, blog, Mr. Objective, logo, lab header submit, my accounts, login. Just looking for anything that stands out. We logged in with the username and password. No, well, CSRF, that's fine, I guess. Session. Email. Change email form. This does not require a CSRF. So can we get, what if we did this? Create, engagement tools, generate CSRF POC. Boom, copy this. And then went here to exploit server. Made sure this was, we need to change this to here. And we can set it to our own email address. That's fine. And it'll push it. So we want this to be text HTML, text HTML. Let's change it to something we can recognize. So got 'em will be what we try to change it to. Store. And let's try to do it against ourselves. Make sure it works. So we'll view. Give it a second. Now, our account should be changed. Wiener Peter. It's not. Oh, right. Because we need to go to the exploit server and the freaking email client. I'm going to switch these. This one, I'm going to go to the email client. It's empty. It is empty. It shouldn't be, right? What happened? What was that post? So we should have visited. What's this? This is the CSR. I'm going to close this. I don't need that anymore. So when we posted, where's the view? This is what our content was. Get/email. But where's our, when we exploited it ourselves? Let's go and check out the log. So I'm going to duplicate this tab and go access log. Here's us. Get exploit. So here's where we exploited ourselves. Let's just send this. Although ampersand, this is, I don't like this encoding. I just want it regular. I don't want any encoding, right? I think this is right. Store. Let's view it. This should post. That worked. Awesome. Let's go to exploit server and deliver view. Ah, what? We can't deliver this? Okay, so that's not the way you go about this. Damn it. If we could deliver this, we could get, you know, the victim's email address. So there's got to be something else. Forgot password. Please enter your username or email. So how are we going to do this? We've got a forgot password that when we enter in the correct info, we'll send it to what if it's like a host header injection? I mean, yeah, let's try this. Do like that. Post, send to repeater, host. We're going to change this to this. But again, I don't think this is right. Resource not found. If we could submit this, so we've got to be using the email client, right? What does proxy update email change email? Yeah, this doesn't have username, so we can't. I swear I already checked that. Should we just go like nuclear on it and do the, this is the 3OOD. That one. Let's passively scan it, sure. Extensions, let's do some param minor. We'll guess everything. Extensions. Should we discover no, let's actively scan. Forgot password. So what vulnerability is it? Let's cd grep-r proxy forgot-password. This is like cheating. I should have done that over there. Let's do it again, but on the other screen. I don't know if we're... Okay, sorry. Distracted. So, reset poisoning via dangling markup. I don't think that one's at apprentice level. Basic. Let's try that. This is in host header. But I don't think it's a host header one. Via middleware. Reset broken logic. What did we see? Inbox is empty. My account. Let's log out. Why is our inbox empty? Forgot password. Wiener. So please check. But it's empty. How is it? So I'm going to close all these tabs. So I'm going to go to my account and I'm going to try logging back in. Wiener Peter. And I'm going to check the email address. It looks right. Email client. This should get all emails directed to this server. I'm going to just do it like that. Update. Log out. My account. Forgot. Wiener. Check. Okay, finally. Ooh. Temp forgot token. Now, if it was host header, we could proxy this one. We did this one, right? We tried to host header it right there. Let's make sure. Damn it. Is this the one we're on? Origin. No, it can't be, right? Where am I? Here. If I go to proxy Peter and I do, oh my gosh, this is what it is. It's origin. I was being real dumb. Real dumb. So I'm going to take this, copy it, and I'm going to go back to repeater. I'm going to go back to proxy. I'm going to send this to repeater. I'm going to leave host alone. I'm going to change origin. And I'll just delete refer. Send. Now I want to go back, check this for another email. Yes. They both. No, I don't have it yet. So it wasn't origin. And it's not host, right? Resource not found. Origin. It's what I think it is I want reset broken logic, something like that. Cat authentication reset password. What is this? Data equals password for wiener post. So it's getting the and it's using that token for Carlos. I don't think I ever completed this. Which one's the most recent? 219, this one. Blah, blah. My account. Wiener, blah. Okay, let's check what we just did. Right here. We did a get with the token. It said okay. But it doesn't allow us to enter in the username. Oh, it does right there. Interesting. Okay, let's send that to repeater. Let's get another good one, and let's try it against Carlos. My account. Forgot password. I want wiener. I want do I already have? Oh, I already have it. It's right here. I want this one. So I'm gonna copy link, go here. Let's paste it there and take this out. Cut, put it here and here, and change this to Carlos, and then delete this. Let's try that. 200. Make sure new passwords do not match. Yeah, they do. What are you talking about? Blah. Oh, did it freaking work? My account. Carlos. Blah. Yes. Finally. That one was rough. All right. Let's do another. I am not loving how difficult these have been. Oh, sweet. We got that one right off the bat. Just for being us. Ooh, we got a business logic one. All right, we're going to have to buy this jacket. Let's log in to see Wiener Peter. We have 100 in store credit. We're going to view details. Hello. And add to cart. And we're going to go to our cart. And we'll try new. Oh, is this the cost 5? Apply. $5 reduction. Place order. So I did that so I could see what happens. This one is OACB. Really, I'm interested in things like this. There was one that took me forever to find it. Right here, this. I missed that when I was doing it myself. So blah@blah.com. We'll sign up. This gives us a sign up 30 at checkout. Let's go to cart. Let's enter this. Now let's do new cust. This one. We're going to alternate them because I don't think we can do the same one twice in a row. Let's try it. So I'm going to do 2 new cust in a row. Coupon already applied, but if we separate it by one of these, boom. Now we need new cust. And what's our total? So we need at least one more of the sign up 30s. No, we need... yeah, this isn't going to be enough because that's still... We need new cust, right? And then a sign up 30. Again, this is only solved because I remember it. Kind of lame. But, I mean, can't forget everything. All right, one more, and then I'm going to call it a night. Whew, let it be an easy cross-site scripting one. All right, we have a blog. Let's go through the same steps. Wiener Peter. We have a username and an API key. blah@blah.com. Update. Okay. My account. We have that UUI, either GUID or UUID. I don't know which one. Should we try? Well, let's try the same attack we did earlier today, which was viewing the post. Finding Carlos was our victim. So let's go to 1, 2, 3. Carlos. We'll get there. Copy. And we'll go here. Dang it. So is the one that we had already solved. But that's all right. It's good to end on a W. Right on. Well, let me know if you found this interesting. It's the first time ever streaming on YouTube. Let me know, one, how I did. Found it interesting and like to see more. Let me know. There wasn't very much, no participation and very little views. So I'm probably going to do any more streaming that I do on Twitch. At least there I get some interaction and people checking it out. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.